Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IDLab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture instruction documents. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Okay, step number one is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically, in this step, we will have to download the Excel file from ITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel file from ITLab dashboard. You can share my Excel file. Okay, step number one is done. Now moving on step number two. Step number two is that insert a function in cell C3, display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. Basically, in this step we will have to insert a function in cell C3, display the current date. Okay, and ensure that the format. Go to Excel file, go to this cell C3. We will have to insert. Go to the formula, go to the date and time, then select to the function. Okay, it will be entered. Will be showed it. Okay, current date, display the current date. The format set as a long date. Go to the Excel workbook, go to home tab, go to the date, and we will select long date format in cell C3. Okay, I have done two steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number three. Step number three is that set column C width to auto fit. Basically, in this step we will have to set column C2 width to auto fit. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, then click on column C, go to the format, auto fit column width. Okay, it will be selected. Okay, I have done three steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number four. Step number four is that insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell reference and the function. Go to the Excel workbook, go select on click on column D11. Okay, we will have to enter a function in cell D11. Click on column D and cell D11. We will have to enter a VLOOKUP function in cell D11. Then we will select C11 SU, then C24. Okay, enter dollar sign. This is enter all value that given an instruction. You can see. Okay, into and okay, this paper D29 C24 to D29. We will select this C24 to D29 and statement false, enter statement false, then press enter. Oh, it's wrong, sorry. Copy the function from the D11 down through. I have done four steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 5. Step number 5 is that insert a function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Be sure to use appropriate absolute cells reference and the function return an exact match. Copy the function from F11. Go to the cell F11. Okay, is equal to insert VLOOKUP function. Okay, C11. Okay, so C24 to D29, enter dollar sign. So C B24 to D29, enter dollar sign. Enter dollar sign. Okay. Then statements false. Press enter. Okay, it will be fine. 13.99. Okay, I have done. Now copy the function F11 to F19. Use fill handle function. Copy the function F19. Okay. Now moving on step number 6. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that apply currency format to the column F is considered. We will have to apply currency format on the column F. Go to the Excel workbook. Select column F and go to the general. Go to the on tab and then custom general currency format. Okay. It will be apply currency format on this column F. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due if the customer has chosen delivery. There is an additional delivery charges located in cell L11. If the item is not delivered, the total due is price. Be sure to appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Copy the function from C11, go to the Excel workbook, go to the and click on G11, enter formula in cell G11. If statement, if error, if statement, then delivery column E11 in cell E11 is equal to, yes, put this statement first, enter this statement. I am entering this statement, you can see here, and L11, enter dollar sign, L11, plus F11 okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be found on column G11. Then copy the function from cell G11 down through G19, complete column G. Okay, use fill handle function. Okay, it will be fine. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that apply currency format to the column G. Basically, in this step we will have to apply the currency format on column G. Go to the Excel workbook. Then we select column G and apply currency format on column G. It will be apply currency format on column G. Okay, I have done 8 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 9. Step number 9 is that insert the function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer monthly payment using appropriate relatives and absolute cell references. Place a minute sign to the left of the present value argument so that the function argument is positive result. Copy the formula down to the column. Basically, instead we will have to enter formula in cell I11. Go to the cell I11, enter a formula in I11, PMT function in cell I11. We will have to enter a PMT function in cell I11. Then Okay. L12. Interest rate. For interest rate. Okay. Into dollars divided by months per year. 12. Okay. L13. Then it's 11. Then it's 14. Into dollar sign. Okay. G11. Okay. Press enter. Okay, it will be found on I11. Okay. Calculate the first customer monthly payment. We find then copy the formula down the columns. Use fill under to copy the use fill under down the formula. Okay. It will be show values in column I. You can see here I have done 9 step of this assignment. You can see here 9 step is completed now. Now moving on to step number 10. Step number 10 is that use quick analysis to insert a function inside I20 that calculates the total of all monthly payment in column I. Basically, in this step we will have to use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I20. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay. Select column I20. Right click on this. Go to the quick analysis. Okay. Go to the total and then sum. Okay. It will be find sum in I20. You can see here this value of sum. Sum will be found in I20. I have done 10 step of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 11. You can see here 10 step is completed now. Now moving on step number 11. Step number 11 is that apply currency format to the column I. Basically in this step we will have to apply currency format on column I. Go to the Excel workbook, click on select column I, then go to the home tab and go to the currency format and we will select currency format. Then the currency format will be applying on column I. Okay, 11 step is completed now. You can see here I have done 11 step of this assignment. Now moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is that type the customer name MG Guan in cell B6. Basically in this step we will have to type a customer name on cell B6. Go to the cell B6, click on cell B6, then go to the formula bar and type this name MG Guan. Okay, it will be typed. I have done 12 step of this assignment. You can see here 12 step is completed now. Now moving on step number 13. Step number 13 is that use the XLOOKUP function in cell C6 to look up the customer name in the worksheet and return the corresponding SKU items name, delivery option, price total due, yes, finance and monthly payment. Basically in this step we will have to enter a XLOOKUP function cell C6 is equal to XLOOKUP function. I have done 14 of step this time and moving on step number 15. You can see here. Okay. Enter a function in cell H24. Enter a formula in cell H24 is equal to sum C11 to C19. Then press enter. It will be find sum of number of orders. You can see it will be find sum of number of order. I have done 15 step of this assignment. Total step of the assignment is 20. I have done 70% of this assignment. If you want to do for complete assignment, if you want to do for complete course, for remaining step, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Make it with me for complete course. I will give you a very reasonable price for complete course. Thank you. so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Well.